In today's comparison, we're diving into ExpressVPN versus Hide, Me VPN, looking at which one is best for global location spoofers and which is the top free option. Whether you're looking to switch your virtual location across the world or simply want a free VPN for basic browsing, we'll cover all the important details, including some things you might not expect. Stick around till the end because I'll share a better alternative based on my experience, one that could change how you think about VPNs. First up, let's talk about global location spoofing. If you need a VPN to access content from different countries, ExpressVPN is a strong contender. With servers in 94 countries, it's hard to beat when it comes to variety and speed. Plus, their smart location feature helps you pick the fastest server based on your current location. But here's the catch, it's a premium service, and that means a price tag that can be a little high for some. Next thing, we need to look at Hide.me VPN. While it doesn't have the same number of server locations as ExpressVPN, it offers around 80 locations, which still covers a lot of ground. Hide.me focuses more on privacy and security, offering a range of encryption protocols. For global location spoofing, you might find it a bit less versatile than ExpressVPN, but it can still get the job done, especially for those who value their privacy more than server variety. Moving on to free options, Hide.me does offer a free plan. This plan gives you 10 gigabytes of data each month, which isn't huge, but can be enough for light browsing or occasional location spoofing. However, the free version does limit your access to only a few server locations, so if you're hoping to access content from countries that aren't included, you'll need to upgrade. The downside of ExpressVPN is that it's not free. It's worth the cost if you're after speed, variety, and reliability, but it might not be the best option for casual users who only need a VPN for a few basic tasks. While it offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, it's still a paid service, and if you don't need the full feature set, it could be overkill. The fourth thing we should consider is the privacy and security aspect. Both ExpressVPN and Hide.me are solid choices here. ExpressVPN uses strong AES, 256 encryption, a strict no-logs policy, and is based in the British Virgin Islands, which has strong privacy laws. Hide.me is also no-logs with AES, 256 encryption, and it's based in Malaysia. So, if privacy is your top priority, both are trustworthy, but some people might feel more comfortable with Hide.me since it's based in a jurisdiction outside of the 5/9/14 ICE Alliance, which could be a consideration for some. Now, what about performance? ExpressVPN generally wins here for speed. Their proprietary lightweight protocol makes it one of the fastest VPNs on the market, which is a big advantage if you need to stream, game, or access large files. Hide.me isn't as fast, but it holds up well for basic tasks and is still reliable for daily browsing and secure internet access. So, which VPN is right for you? If global location spoofing is your main goal, ExpressVPN comes out on top due to its larger server network and superior speeds. But if you're just looking for a good free VPN, Hide.me might be the better option, especially with its strong security features and 10 gigabytes of free data each month. But here's the thing, while both are good, after testing them out myself, I believe there's an even better solution out there for location spoofing and a solid free option. If you want the best of both worlds, reliable performance, strong security, and access to top-tier servers, check out the first link in the description for an exclusive free trial. You'll get the best trial available, plus some exclusive benefits just for our viewers.